Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical Titanium Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to check the amount of steps taken on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, and now you need to swipe up on the screen to open the list of widgets. Scroll through the list of widgets and find the one called calories and steps, or steps and calories. This one. Once you find it, here you can check the amounts of steps taken and calories burned. But if you want to see the more detailed information, you can tap on this widget. It will open this page, and here you can check the goal for your steps and calories. You can also scroll down and see the progress through the last 7 days, as you can see, for the calories and the steps. And once you're done checking, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.